If you know the truth, speak it. I had an uncle named Jack, a colorful, sharp man, the kind of man who could read a room in 10 seconds. When I was young, growing up in New York, he told me something that I'll never forget. He said, "Nephew, if you know the truth, speak the truth and stand up for it." And at the time, I truly didn't realize how rare that advice really was. Because most people know the truth, they just don't say it. Knowing the truth requires courage. It's easy to repeat someone else's sayings or repeat what somebody else is saying. It's hard to think for yourself. Truth means you've done the work. It means you've looked at the facts. You've checked your own biases, and that takes discipline. Speaking the truth requires backbone. In New York, you learn quickly. Not everyone wants to hear the truth, not at all. Sometimes speaking up costs you comfort. Sometimes it costs you approval. Sometimes it costs you relationships. But silence costs you something too. It really does. It costs you your integrity. Standing up in truth builds character. Everyone talks, but nobody stands up, or very few stand up. When you stand up for truth, calmly, confidently, you build respect. You also build respect for yourself. Because at the end of the day, it may be coming out of this mouth, but it's also coming back into these two ears. Maybe, again, that respect comes from somebody, maybe not everybody, or maybe not everyone, but from the right ones, the right people, the people that want to hear the truth and respect it and appreciate it. And most importantly, as I was saying earlier, it comes from yourself. My uncle wasn't a perfect man, and I grew up with him. He grew up where I grew up, and I learned something from him. Noise fades, opinions change, crowd shifts, but truth doesn't. If you know the truth, speak it and have the strength to stand up on it. That's manhood. This is Mr. Z Inspires. If that resonated with you, please share it with someone who you think needs to hear it and understand that the truth is important and the truth matters. Please check us out at www.mrzinspires.com. Again, that's www.mrzinspires.com. And check us out on YouTube at Mr. Z Inspires. Thank you very much, and you guys have a great day. Be well.